the part of the dehumidifier. Every time it's dirty, you see that? You see that? It's very dirty inside. So you need to take it out. I'll show you later how I took it from the main part. So you see this? You focus on. See this? Take this one first. Then take this one thing here. Just do it like that. Just be careful not to break it. Okay, see that? And then this one, take this one. See this? See this one? And there's one more here. So just pull it like that. Pull it like that. Like that. Alright? So just clean this inside of this. So clean everything. It's okay, okay, turn it off now. So this is the dehumidifier. You use this to dry the clothes if it's rainy. No, if it's during rainy days. So just taking the clothes over here and use this one. So here is the filter. It's if it's very dusty, you just clean it. So see this one, front. So insert it here. Insert it here. There's an opening here, and then insert. If you want to take it out, pull it down there. Okay. So let me put this back first. Now I don't know.
No, that was correct. It was like that.
Like this? Oh. No. There should. Okay. So yeah, focus right. Boom. Right. Then here. So you will learn, you know. No, wrong. Like that. So every time you dry the clothes using this one, the water comes in here. Every time it's full, you have to throw out the water. Hope is this correct? So, okay, just hold it in like that, and just do this, and then pour the water like that.